Well, guess what, guys? The Jubilee, the Carnival Jubilee, is open for business, and guess what? Your boy is going to be up on it. When, where, and how? Let's talk about it. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Blue Collar Cruising channel. They announced that the Jubilee was going to be out of Galveston, and I was super excited because we never get a cruise ship like that, right? Most of the time they start selling out of Miami first or whatever, and we get the hand-me-downs in the Galveston area. Well, we got the Jubilee, so I put a thing on there. It's like, alert me, let me know, and you get an email saying it is ready for booking. So, but on November 18th of 2023 will be the first sailing out of Galveston. Now they're doing a transatlantic, so technically, there's another cruise before us, but we will be on that November 18th, 2023 cruise. As a matter of fact, not only did we get that sailing, but we got the Aft Suite, I think is what they call it. It's a pretty penny, all right? It's most we've ever spent on one room. Why not? Let's have a little bit of fun, okay? So this room has it's got like now I was looking on the Mardi Gras and look on the YouTube, looking at Mardi Gras tours for this room, and they're going to be basically kind of the same layout, but you have the living room separate from the bedroom. You've got a big old shower, and the crapper is in a different, like a room, right? It's in a different, it's sectioned out. I said the crapper, people. Hey, you're watching Blue Collar Cruising channel, okay? Nothing proper here. Then you have the shower that has like the rain deal. Like, those are cool. If you've ever been in one of those type of showers, those are awesome. I want one for like my bathroom, my shower. But the best part about this room is not the room itself, it's the balcony, and it's got the big wraparound balcony. It's got the table. It's got like 4 or 5 loungers or some crap like that. But the highlight of it is actually the hot tub that's on the balcony. We're going to be on that ship. We're probably not going to come out of our room or our balcony at all. You have special perks to Loft 19, right? Like, so I looked at Loft 19. I'm like, yeah. We've got like the best balcony on the whole ship. At least, I don't know, maybe second best. I don't know. I heard that presidential suite's something else, but this is one of the best, right? I looked at the Loft 19 deal, and I'm like, that's cool, but it's like, well, when you have this kind of balcony, who wants that, to be totally honest? But it is what it is. I'm super excited about that room, but I'm also excited to be on the first sailing out of Galveston. It's going to be a special cruise. But by the way, before we get to the Carnival Jubilee, we've got 17 days for the Carnival Vista. Your boy, that's me, your boy, yours. You own me. We got 17 days, we'll be on the Vista, right? And then after that, we'll be on the Vista again in June. But this Carnival Vista one, this is one of those that, what do you call it? They, we had to rebook this twice because of all the pandemic crap, right? Yeah, this is one of those. And same thing with our June one. That's one of those too. We had to rebook because of the pandemic. But Jubilee, here we come. November 18th, 2023. All right, we'll be there. Hopefully by that time, this channel will have like 5 million subscribers by that time, and we could be a multi-millionaire up on this channel. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be awesome? Well, awesome for me. I don't know about you guys. You guys are watching YouTube videos for free. Anyways, thanks for watching. Help me get that 5 million subscriber by 2023. It'd be great. It'd be great. But if not, if you don't like me using the term crapper, then this channel may not be for you, okay? It just may not be. This is what this channel, and I'm feeling a certain kind of way this morning because I'm happy. You know, wake up this morning and you get an email saying, book me, book me. I'm like, okay. If I don't do any more video stuff, I will be filming on the Carnival Vista on February 12th. Okay, February 12th out of Galveston, we'll be filming and stuff like that. Yeah, that's a Super Bowl cruise, and guess the reason why I'm wearing a Texas Rangers cap, because the Cowboys are not going to be in the Super Bowl. I'm still a Cowboys fan. I'll still be wearing my Aikman jersey. Let's not talk about that, all right? Daytona is coming up. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button. Give me a comment if you're going to be on that cruise or what have you. It'd be awesome to maybe meet a couple of you guys. If you could pull me out of our cabin. And that balcony is something else. You may not see us out very much at all. Anyways, take care, guys, and 70.